Unlock the power of Kling AI and turn your static images into stunning videos in just minutes. First, head over to the Kling AI website and upload the image you want to transform. Ensure it's high resolution for the best results. Next, customize your video. Experiment with different depth settings to create a parallax effect. Adjust camera movement for dynamic shots, and choose from various animation styles to bring your image to life. Play around with pan, zoom, and rotate effects to add the illusion of movement. These subtle changes make a huge difference in the final output. Don't forget to explore the animation styles. Whether you want a subtle ripple or a more dramatic sway, Kling AI has options to fit your vision. Once you're happy with the preview, finalize your export settings. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file format. Now, let Kling AI work its magic. Sit back and watch as your image transforms into a captivating video, ready to share with the world. With Kling AI, creating engaging video content from static images has never been easier. Start creating today.